Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, November 11th. Remembrance Day here in Canada. It is Veterans Day in the U.S. Futures back in positive territory, coming off the biggest single-day advance since 2020 for stocks across the board. Yesterday, it was the biggest single-day advance for the NASDAQ specifically ever, coming off a CPI print. Here's how things look right now. Back to the upside, as I mentioned, about 0.5% for both the NASDAQ and the Dow here, trying to lead the way. 0.45 then, about the same overall for the S&P. TSX futures positive here in Toronto as well. Big move in oil. We'll talk about why coming up here. 3.25% already higher. Yeah, a bit of a pullback for Bitcoin and Ethereum after a rally yesterday. That's the way the market looks right now. Huge move yesterday. Back to the upside. It was more than 7% for the NASDAQ when all was said and done. A ton of positivity coming surrounding this news this morning as well. Yeah, Chinese ADRs back to the upside in a big way. The entire group higher pre-market after officials say they are going to go ahead and ease some COVID-19 or zero COVID policy rules in that country. So big moves right across the board for Alibaba, for JD.com, for NIO, for XPEV, all back to the upside. We'll have a look at those coming up here this morning. Chip makers were among the most impressive yesterday. Look at that daily chart candle for AMD. We're higher again here in the pre-market. For AMD, they did announce this new data center chip late in the day yesterday, saying that Microsoft and Google already lined up as customers. 3.25%, as we said, for oil to the upside on this China reopening news this morning and the possibility of increased demand. There's also a ton of price target increases and positive analyst notes in the group. So we'll have a look at some of the energy producers here. They were coming off a bit of a choppy day yesterday. So both Oxy and CVX higher pre-market to start. Polestar back to the upside. Decent report for them. They reaffirmed their production target for the remainder of the year. We'll have a look at Amazon as well. Back to the upside. Remember, they announced some unprofitable cost-cutting measures in review that's going to kick in as of tomorrow. And that could include, I was reading this morning, their Alexa unit under review as well. Here comes Matterport back to the upside. Nice report for the virtual tour maker. It's higher, about 5% in the pre-market. Back to these levels up here, 370 right now for MTTR. Grab that watch list, guys. Use that QR code on screen right now. And you come join us at 8:30 every single day. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.